Ramzan season is yet to start in a couple of days, and right now we are in Paradise, which is famous for its Haleem from this 75 years of legacy almost. So we have the chef with us. So let us ask him what is the specialty this year with the Haleem. Hello sir, कैसे हैं आप पहले?
बहुत अच्छे हैं and thank you for calling me in on your channel for the same. And yes, absolutely, the Haleem season is on now, and we are come up with the same legacy once again. And I really hope that you are gonna have a very great time with our products once again at Paradise. The flavor remains same always, as always, how it was, and that's a legacy what we always carry on. So there are three pillars of our product. First is the ingredient, the best sort of ingredients what we choose for our product. So the Haleem, the best ingredients are there. The people, those who are making a Haleem for us, they are all working with us for ages, and they are creating the same product every year. So during this season of Ramadan, you will be having the same. The only thing what I want to more focus on that is the food safety part of it. That yes, we take care of our each and every ingredient, each and every process, so that we are able to serve the best and safe product all across Hyderabad and all the other regions. So the Haleem will be safe for you. Come, taste it. It is available at all our outlets all across Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai.
So इस बार कितने products बोले तो I have seen this one also. This is a chicken Haleem, I think, right?
So again, we are on with two different products. One is Mutton Haleem and Chicken Haleem. But as usual, Mutton Haleem is the first choice for people. But yes, for the chicken eaters, there is a Chicken Haleem as well with us.
So from all these years, the taste remains the same, and the customers also remains the same. So how you improving day by day the markets of the Haleem?
So we are evolving into our products. That's what I can say. There will be a little changes happen, but those changes are for the benefits of the product. All right. So we are still the freshest of the ingredients what we are using. We are doing our Haleem still with the same desi ghee, purely desi ghee, and the process remains the same. The small here and there processes changes, but taste comes out the same. Well and the same. Every time when you have our Haleem, our guests, our patrons always come back because they find the same taste every time when they are coming. And that's what we are meant for. So we are thankful to our patrons that they believe in us with our product. And during this season, also they will give and shower their love over us with having Haleem at each and every outlet of us.
So what finally you just wanted to tell to the Hyderabadis to come and explore the Haleem?
So Hyderabad, it's an emotion, you know, when we talk of Haleem. So as we know, biryani is 365 days emotion. And this is an emotion which is for a limited time. And people come out heavily on this. We really want you to come and have Haleem at each one of our outlets, and let us know what do you feel about it. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And this is about the Paradise famous Haleem, which is the best in Hyderabad. And let's enjoy this Haleem in this festival season. Thank you so much.